Hello from the Arlo Lab. Today we'll be walking through how to set up the custom mode in the Arlo app. In this video, we'll focus on how to set up Geofence within custom modes. If you want to learn how to add custom modes and set up a schedule for them, check out our other videos. The links are in the description. Let's get started. To set up custom modes for your device, you will first need to turn them on. Open the Arlo app and tap Routines. From here, tap on Modes and next tap the three dots in the top right corner. Choose Custom Modes and tap the toggle to turn the custom mode on. Hit Done, and the custom mode will appear as a fourth option under Modes. From here, tap on the icon next to Custom Mode to activate it, and next tap the arrow next to it. Here you will have a list of all your devices attached to this location. Under the devices, you will have the options for Arm, Disarm, Schedule, Geofence, and any custom mode you create. Please note that Geofence in the custom mode needs to be set up for each device individually, and location permission will need to be enabled in the app settings on the phone you will be using. The phone will also need a network connection at all times when using this mode. To set the Geofence, tap on the arrow next to it. First, you will need to set the location. Tap on Edit Geofence, and at the top, enter the address. This will be the center point of detection. Next, you can customize the radius. Please note that Geofence works when crossing the outline of the circle. Once you have set the location and radius, tap on Save. Next, we can customize the devices that will affect arriving. You can choose specific phones or set it to all phones that have access to this account. After that, go back to set what will happen when someone arrives under the Then Do This section. We'll set it to Disarm. Under the When People Leave section, we can customize the devices that will affect the leave rule. Once you have chosen the devices, you can once again set what will happen under the Then Do This section. We'll set it to Armed. To enable geofencing, go back to the main mode page, make sure custom mode is enabled, and tap the two arrows next to your device. From here, tap on Geofence. And that's it. Your device will now automatically switch modes when arriving or leaving a location. We hope this video answered your questions about custom mode Geofence. Make sure to check out our other videos to see how to edit and set up other custom modes, links in the description. If this helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Arlo tips and troubleshooting. See you in the next video.